Welcome, Rob from RGO Gardens here. So we're back at this hedge renovation that we did last year. It's come back slowly. It's not brown anymore. I'll put some pictures in of what it looked like after I did it. It hasn't done too well. Obviously we had a really dry summer last year, and this is suffering from dieback on the top. In hindsight, I should have probably tackled the top before the sides. So yeah, we got a very thick matted mess on the top, and like I say, it's dying back a bit. The sides started to fill in. There's a few bare spots, but it's fine. I'll say the main problem is the top, which is what we're going to tackle today. So yeah, with these Lonicera Nitidas, if you cut them the same way over and over again, at the same height, you know, multiple times a year, they get so thick, they just start getting really matted, and then, you know, sunlight can't penetrate, where rain has a hard job getting down into the roots. So we need to take off a chunk of this top, try and get back to some bare stems, and it should recover nicely. It's pretty drastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around this side, because I can't reach the whole hedge, the hedge trim. I'm just going to do this side first and then go around from the other side. It's hard work getting your hedge trim through this stuff as well. So, first half done. If you're wondering how I keep my line, I pretty much go off my body. So I get my hedge trimmer in there on my hips. I remember that height on my body. I'll have a quick skim over it in a minute just to get it a bit more level, but I think you'll agree that's pretty good. You better. I say it doesn't take very long to do as well, especially if you've got a sharp hedge trimmer. It's a must for these kind of jobs. I wish I'd bought my face mask as well. It's very dusty and horrible. This has got far too wide, this hedge. Just try and prolong the life of it. Probably need to go super hard on the sides, but I'm not going to do that this year. I'm just going to give the sides a trim and let the top come back. That's the top taken care of. With these kind of hedges as well, it's really important with your first cut you get your right line, because trying to say if you're a few inches off in places, it's very hard to take the hedge trimmer down and it just bounces off. I'm sure if anyone's done these kind of hedges, they know what I mean. Your hedge trimmer just bounces off all the branches. It's so hard to sort of take off fine amounts. So yeah, get your line right first time if you can. So these are the two weapons I'm using today. Petrol hedge trimmers, double-sided and a single-sided there. Stihl hedge trimmers. Who's used and enjoys a single-sided hedge trimmer? I certainly do. If you haven't used one, why not? Let me know in the comments. I'll be doing a video on a comparison of these two soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is the side we went super hard on. We took that big slice off. I'm not going too crazy on it this year. I want to let it fill in a bit. just want to take them down to encourage the top to grow. Otherwise it will, the sides will grow like crazy and the top will be slow. It doesn't help on the backside either. The foxes and badgers have been having a good play apparently. Been making some massive holes on the backside, which is not nice. And even the badgers were shitting along here as well. Little buggers. Again, it is still super wide, which we need to tackle at some point. We're just going to see how it responds to this. Fingers crossed it comes back. I say it's a very old hedge, but this should revitalise it. So there we go. What do people think? Do you think I killed it? Is it going to die? I'll try and keep you posted. This will probably need a cut in a couple of months' time, hopefully. If the top doesn't, I'll still be cutting the sides to then try and promote the top to grow. But fingers crossed this should come back. Hopefully we don't have a drought. That would be a bad case, which will mean we'll probably have to water it. I won't bore you with clearing up. It's going to take a while. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Leave a like if you enjoyed that. And yeah, stay tuned for more.